Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the master module, Alumni Data Maintenance, which is responsible for storing essential data and information of thousands of student details. In order to update the Alumni details, we need to access the master module. Click on the Alumni option and then select the Alumni year to add the year information, followed by clicking the Save button. Moving on to the Alumni batch, we can add batches such as CSE, ICE, etc. and save them. To add details of the students, we need to select the Alumni Details option, then click on the Add New button, which will open up the dashboard of Alumni Details. Here, we need to enter the student's name, contact number, email ID, password, select the year of graduation, select the batch, and then save the information. This is a very simple method of adding Alumni details in SIPSNITya. We hope this video has enhanced your knowledge in this area. Thank you.